is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you 5 Dollar Tree DIYs that I made. These are going to be more in like a boho style, modern boho style decor, but I just hope that you like it. They're going to be so much fun, so easy to make, and I'm gonna be reusing also things that I have at home already. Please, if you don't have one of these items that I'm gonna be using, you can replace that and you can recreate this project with things that you have at home. Try to stay home, try to stay safe, don't go out and expose yourself, expose your family. Try to stay at home, stay safe, and yeah, I just hope that you like this video, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know in the comments which project was your favorite. And you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Let's get started to these Dollar Tree DIYs. Okay guys, so for the first project I will be using these Dollar Tree wicker balls. I'm gonna be using 5 large ones and 5 small balls. They can all be the same color, but I really used what I had on hand, and from there I'm going to start putting all these wicker balls how I want them, and I'm gonna be playing a little bit with the colors and the sizes that I'm going to be putting together. From there, I'm going to be using jute cord. This one is from Walmart, and I'm gonna be cutting 7 pieces of jute cord to tie all these wicker balls. And I'm going to start with the piece that is in the center, that is the longest one. And I'm going to put the jute cord between the wicker ball, and then I'm going to tie a knot just to make sure that this ball is not going anywhere. Once the first wicker ball is tied, I'm going to be tying the second wicker ball where I want, and I'm going to tie a knot again. With the rest of the wicker balls, you must do the same thing. You need to place the jute cord on each ball, and then you can make a knot so nothing moves from place, and you need to be careful that all the balls are going to be in the same level that you had placed when you start, and that has the shape of like a triangle, or the shape or the way that you want them to be. Once you have everything tied with the jute cord, you are going to need a branch, or you can use maybe a round dowel. I'm going to be using this piece of wood that is from a Dollar Tree plunger, and I'm going to use my Waverly wax in antique color, and I'm going to mix that wax with a little bit of black color from my Waverly chalk paint, just to have a darker color on my wood piece. I'm going to start gluing each piece of jute cord with the wicker balls with hot glue to the wood stick, leaving the same separation space between each one. Finally, you just have to put another piece of jute cord tied to each corner of the stick to be able to hang it on the wall. Once you're finished, this will be the result of our project, and I love the idea of having placed these wicker balls. I think it looks very different from what we normally see. It turned out so cute, and it is very easy to do. For the second project, you will need a glass vase. This one is from Dollar Tree. Then you can use stickers or marker to write on the glass, or you can use your Cricut if you have, and I wrote the phrase "Good morning." I'm going to put a transfer paper on it, and I'm going to place my decal in the center of my vase. Then it is super easy. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this vase, and just if you want, you can add food coloring to your water. From there, I'm going to use this planter from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree have two sizes, I think. This one is the biggest one, and I'm going to place it on the top of this glass vase. Inside of this planter, you can place a stone, moss, soil, whatever you have at home. And finally, I'm going to put a succulent inside the planter. You can put a real planter if you prefer. And that's it. This will be the result of this project. You can write your favorite phrase in this vase. I write good morning. And I love this DIY because I think it has many elements to create a very positive energy. For the next project, you can use a foam ball if you have. I have this plastic ball, and this is what I'm going to be using. And you also need moss. I'm going to be using this that Dollar Tree has. It is the floral moss. And I'm going to put it in a container just to don't make a big mess. And the next step will be to put hot glue on the ball, so that way I can stick the moss until it is completely covered. From there, you will need rope. I didn't have the Dollar Tree one, and I'm not going outside to get anything, so I ordered this rope from Amazon for a very good price, and I love the color it has, and it brings a lot. So I'm gonna be leaving you the link of this rope in the description box of this video. I'm going to cut 3 long pieces of rope of the same size, and I'm going to make a knot on one end. Then I'm going to place the moss ball, and what I'm gonna be doing is try to tie or hold the ball with each rope, or you can simply put hot glue on the rope so that it does not move and the ball is not going to fall down. And then you need to tie another knot on the other end of the ropes. From there, all you have to do is decorate your ball. I'm going to be using several succulents that I just have at home from last year, but you can also put flowers or greenery if you want. You can also use a foam ball for real plants, you know, that green foam, and you can insert some real plants or flowers, take care of them, add some water, and you can hang this planter on the wall. And Dollar Tree has many options on spring to hang things on the wall, but you can be creative and try to use things that you have at home already. The next project is very easy to do, and I love it. You're going to need any container that you have at home. It can have any shape. Mine is made from metal, but you can use plastic or glass. The first thing I did to my vase is to paint it with my truffle paint from Waverly Chalk, just to have a dark base color. Once it is dry, I'm going to use these straw paper handbags for girls that Dollar Tree has. They sell it in many colors, and I'm going to be using this one that is more neutral. I'm going to cut this handbag in half so I can stick it with hot glue to the base that I decided to use. For the inside of my base and the bottom, I'm going to cut, fold, and stick these straw paper handbag to cover everything nice. Finally, you can add greenery, flowers, onion grass, but I'm gonna be using these succulents, and voila, this is how our project is going to look. It is very easy to do. I think I will put my vase in my bathroom. For the last project, I'm going to be using a 5 by 7 inch canvas from Dollar Tree. I only need the wood frame, so I'm going to be removing the staples to remove the canvas fabric. If you have a photo frame at home, you can also use it regardless of the size. To give it a darker shade to my frame, I'm going to use my Waverly wax in antique color. From there, you can search on Google for a buffalo picture, and I print this one in black and white colors. And then I'm going to measure and cut this picture of the size of my frame. I'm going to glue my frame to a piece of cardboard just to make it stronger, and then I'm going to glue it to my wood frame. I decided to make another DIY using this Dollar Tree cactus, and for this I'm only going to change the color of the plastic for a black color. I think it looks much better and it's going to match with the rest of my decor. The paint that I used was my Waverly chalk paint in ink color, and to dry this piece I used my heat tool. In the description box I'm going to be leaving you the link of where you can get it. My love, this will be the result of my project. I love how the photo of the buffalo in black and white color looks. And guys, remember, if you don't like the idea of the buffalo, you can use any other photo that you have and that you like. So yeah, I hope that you like and enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you're giving me. If you like today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know what kinds of video do you like to see from me. Also, leave me a comment of which of these DIYs was your favorite. Please subscribe to my channel and share these ideas with friends and family. Follow me on my social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, as well as my webpage, DIYbyjaz.com. Love you so much, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.